Hi my geniuses, in this amazing video you will learn about simple and complex prepositions. Let's take an example of the iconic 2011 World Cup which India won in style. What a moment it was. Heck, it was such an exciting moment. I mean, MS Dhoni hit that final six and snatched the victory from the opposition. Now let's take a look at this sentence. Here, from is a one word preposition. Such prepositions which are short and in an independent form are called simple prepositions. Some other examples of simple prepositions are at, by, of, for, in, into, and through. Now let's take a look at this sentence. The game is on. Now, is on a preposition here? Well, actually, it is not. On here is an adverb. Prepositions are often confused with adverbs. The difference is that a preposition is always followed by a noun where an adverb isn't. Let's quickly solve a question. Find the adverb and the preposition in the statement below. Whom does this bat belong to? Does it belong to MS Dhoni? Clearly, the word of focus is to. In the second surface, to is followed by the noun MS Dhoni. Hence, it is acting as a preposition here. In the first sentence, however, it is not followed by any noun. Hence, it is an adverb. Prepositions are not only confused with adverbs, but they are confused with other prepositions too. Let's see some of the commonly confused prepositions. In and into. In shows the position of something. For example, people are sitting in the stadium. The preposition in is showing the position of people. Into, on the other hand, shows the direction. For example, the swimmers dived into the pool. Beside and besides. Beside shows the position of something. It means by the side of. For example, his house is beside Hotel Taj. Here, beside is telling that the house is by the side of Hotel Taj. Besides, on the other hand, means in addition to. For example, the house has security cameras besides the security guards. By and with. By relates to the person who performs an action. With relates to the instrument with which the action is performed. For example, the winning six was hit by MS Dhoni with his lucky bat. Here, MS Dhoni is the performer, so we used by, and bat is the instrument, so we used with. Between and among. Between is used to show the relationship between two people or things. For example, the match between England and New Zealand resulted in a tie. Among is used to show a relationship between more than two people or things. For example, the top teams among the 5 groups will compete with each other. Let's quickly solve a question. Which of the given options will complete the sentence below? Virat Kohli is also an option for opener. Dash, Rohit Sharma and Shikhar Dhawan. Option 1, beside. Option 2, besides. Now here, we are not saying that Virat Kohli is by the side of Rohit or Dhawan. Hence, option 1 is incorrect. We are saying that in addition to Rohit and Dhawan, Kohli is also an option as an opener. Hence, option 2 is correct. Therefore, the statement becomes Virat Kohli is also an option for opener besides Rohit Sharma, and Shikhar Dhawan. This was all about simple prepositions. Now let's discuss complex prepositions. A complex preposition is a word group that functions like an ordinary one word preposition. For example, because of, instead of, in spite of. Let's see a sentence containing the complex preposition. Nobita was able to fly because of the gadget Doraemon gave him. Here, because of is a complex preposition. Let's quickly solve a question. Select the complex preposition from the sentence below. Virat Kohli collected the winning trophy on behalf of the entire team. The complex preposition in this sentence is on behalf of. Now you know all about simple and complex prepositions. Always remember, genius se padho, genius bano. Genius se padho, genius bano.